Okay. Finally got my toolbox organized. It was disorganized for too long. Too many jobs going on. I wasn't putting my stuff back, so now I got me back organized. Check me out. Gotta have at least one junk drawer. Got too much miscellaneous stuff in there. What a beautiful day to live. Yeah, so I started working on these doors. I had to re-glue everything back down because somebody had took it all apart and it just rattling and wasn't staying in place. So I glue everything back in place. I'm gonna let all that stuff set up. You know what I'm saying? Get back on that tomorrow. And I have to take this off, see what that's about. Yeah, man, the X3 coming together, man. I got it rolling. I got it doing a lot of stuff, so yeah. Fool with me. What a beautiful day to live. I've been working on these door panels that was hanging off. So I got it all taken apart. Now, I'm finna get in here and get this stuff all hooked back up. You know, I had to re-glue this part back on. And then the little thing in the door, I had to glue this back on. On this particular door, all these little stud spots, they're missing and stuff. So, you know, it's an old car. I probably have to get a whole new door card. Had to look into it. Yeah. Got it all back together, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm up here messing with this real light. It's I need to. I've been having a hard time finding these, so now I'm just gonna fix this one. It's just leaking a little bit, so I'm gonna take it off, seal it up real good, put it back on there. So, this where we at. It's the lift gate rear tail light. So right here, you can see it's cracked open. So I'm gonna get some little sealing glue, clean it up real good, seal it closed, boom, put it back on. I've been driving the Today I've been driving the X3 because I have an M3 and an X3. But I've been driving the X3. And yeah, today's the first day I drove it with no lights. Yeah, that's an accomplishment for somebody that's not a mechanic. I've just been putting this together slowly but surely. It's a lot of little bits that I don't really get to show, you know. I did all the door panels, got all that stuff back on, took all of this off, fixing this light. The little struts, just even with this being up, I got the new struts on it. A lot of this stuff is stuff that I got, you know, kind of right when I got the truck or whatever. So we got some other parts over here that's coming. Got thermostat in here, new coolant reservoir, belt tensioner, belt, serpentine belt. Yeah, we gotta change out all that stuff just to get it rocking, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you know we done the brakes already, spark plugs, coil packs, you know, all that good stuff. So, you know, I sound like Grace.